In this question, we have to find the integral of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 upon x square, right? How to do it? When we are solving this question, we don't have the formula like in the differentiation, we have the formula for quotient. We have a quotient rule whenever the fraction is given, but in the integration we don't have any formula as such quotient rule, right? We don't have any formula for fraction. So what we have to do? First we have to simplify this fraction. How to simplify it? So I is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 4 upon x square dx. How to simplify it? Just distribute the denominator on the numerator, each term of numerator. So we will get x cube upon x square plus 5x square upon x square minus 4 upon x square. Is it clear? Right. Now, if we simplify it, x cube upon x square is nothing but the x, right, plus 5 into 1 minus 4. We can write over here 4x to the power minus 2 dx. Now simplify it, you will get x dx plus 5 times of 1 dx minus 4 x to the power minus 2 dx. Now integrate it. Integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of 1 is x. So 5 into x minus 4. Now we have x to the power minus 2. So what we can write? X to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c. But we get finally x square by 2 plus 5x. What we get? Minus 4 into x to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, right? So when we simplify it, we will get x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 upon x plus c. So this is the final answer for question number 11 of NCERT, exercise 7.1 of NCERT. Hopefully you get the solution.